Makoto Ikeda. Today's Mako channel is about cooking. Yes! This time, I'm going to show you how to use leftover mochi from the New Year's celebration. I want to make pancakes. It's a different taste from regular pancakes, so I hope you'll give it a try. Here are the ingredients. Now, let's take a look at how to make it. Let's start with the mixing bowl. Let's get started. First, finely chop the mochi so that it will dissolve easily. Once you've finished cutting the mochi, place it in a large heat-resistant bowl so that the milk doesn't overflow. Now add the milk as well. Then, heat it in the microwave at 600 watts, watching carefully, for about 3 to 4 minutes. I heated it in the microwave for about 4 minutes. Once it's mixed to the point where it's warm and smooth, transfer it to this bowl and mix it with the eggs. Now transfer it here and mix well until the residual heat is gone. Now add the eggs and mix them in thoroughly. Just like this, make sure to mix thoroughly all the way to the bottom. Now, let's add the hot cake mix in 2 separate portions. For the first portion, gently fold it in and mix well. Now, let's add the second portion. For the second portion, be careful not to overmix and gently fold it in. I was able to mix it so it feels light and fluffy. Now, let's start baking this. We'll bake it quickly. The batter is quite loose, so use a spoon to gently place it in round shapes. Please bake it over low heat. Let's get started. Now, I'll scoop out about this much and start baking. Once the lid is closed and it's baked, quickly flip it over. Since they're all done, I'll take them out all at once. There we go, there we go. Now, I'll close the lid again and let them bake. Once they've puffed up nicely like this, they're done. And with that, they're done. I've made thick, fluffy pancakes. I think it's also delicious to sprinkle brown sugar or honey on top if you like. What do you think? This time, I used sweet potatoes and made sweet potato pancakes. Sweet potato pancakes! They're so thick and fluffy and it's really fun to eat them. I can't wait to eat them now. Well then, see you next time! You can really feel the chewy texture of the mochi. Even though it's thick and filling, it's still easy to eat, and the mochi gives it a nice satisfying thickness. The sweetness of the pancake spreads gently in your mouth, and it was really delicious. I think it's a pancake that will leave you feeling very satisfied. Usually when you make them at home, they're pretty thin, but it's great that you can make such thick ones at home too. If you have some extra mochi at home, I really recommend giving this a try. If you made these pancakes after watching this video, please share them on social media with the hashtag Mochi channel. The photos that were uploaded will be introduced at the end. Also, on Mako Minato's Mako channel, I also upload do-it-yourself and makeup videos. If you're interested, please feel free to leave your reviews or comments on the channel as well. Thank you so much! So this time I made pancakes using Mako Ikeda's simple recipe and rice flour. Bye bye!